So I'll be showing you how to turn off the camera shutter sound on your iPhone. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the iPhone 14, but the same instructions apply to previous iPhones and also iPads. So if you have the camera shutter sound enabled, and every time you take a photo, it makes that shutter sound, then there are a couple of ways you can mute or disable that sound. One of the ways is to put your phone in silent mode. So there's a silent mode button in the top left side. It's a switch. Just put your phone in silent mode, and once your phone is in silent mode, your camera will not make the shutter sound. Another way you can do this is to turn the volume all the way down. So just go to the volume rockers and put the volume to the minimum, and then even if you're not in silent mode, your camera shutter sound will be at least muted the best it can. Okay, another thing you can do is you might have the volume up like that, and you have the camera shutter sound active. If you take live photos on your iPhone, it does not make the camera shutter sound. So go to the live button in the top right corner and enable it. And once it says live, when you take photos, it doesn't make a sound. Okay, now if you don't see the live button here, you can tap on this arrow and then you should see live here, and you can have it on live auto on or off. Okay, so as long as the live option is enabled, your camera will not make the shutter sound when you take photos. And that's basically how to disable the camera shutter sound on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.